Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check product reviews with images on DHgate. Now, you want to scroll through and find a product that you want to check the reviews for. Let me choose this right here, and let's say I want to check the product reviews. All I need to do is just scroll down and find where it says reviews. You will start to see already if there are images available, and you can just simply click and view all reviews at the bottom there. Now you can just simple look towards the top where you will see that it shows all most recent and images. You can tap on that section. It's going to kind of filter out all those reviews that has images, and you can kind of scroll through to see if it has more pictures of different reviews that you can see. I'm going to choose another product as well so that you can see not all products has that. So let me go ahead and choose something else. So let's say I want to choose this car, for example. I scroll down, I will check to see if this has any image reviews. There's nothing. I click and view all, and as you can see, there's none. But you want to also check products that has a lot of buys, right? So if you can see that a lot of people buy a particular product, then you may notice that you might have images that has that. So I'm going to choose, for example, this shoes here, and then I'm going to scroll down, and there's going to be view all the reviews, and as you can see, there's reviews, but these people don't show images or share images. But that's what you want to do. You want to look for products that has images, and you can just check the reviews, and if there's anyone who will share images of the product, you'll be able to see those images here that you can filter, and you'll start to scroll and see those as well. But that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.